Hi, my name is Matthew Lipke. I'm one of the Senior Business Development Managers here at Shopmonkey, sitting at our AAPEX booth just outside of Joe's Garage. And I want to talk to you a little bit about Shopmonkey. Shopmonkey is a cloud-based, all-in-one solution for managing every single aspect of your automotive shop, from scheduling appointments online and integrating directly into the scheduler inside of our software, to the estimate creation and invoicing process, complete with digital vehicle inspections, payments, taking payments through the system, and then sending follow-ups and reminders, asking for Google reviews, and helping manage your online presence. So when you're looking for a true all-in-one shop management software, Shopmonkey is the ticket for you. And I'm proud to announce that here at AAPEX and the SEMA shows, we are introducing our brand new product, which is Express Lane, designed to help speed up the process for your quick service bays and quick service operations all over the United States and in Canada.